All right, good Monday morning. Um, let's just get right to it. We have no Fed announcements this week. We got some heavy earnings coming out, and that should be the majority of what am I looking at? The majority of the market movement for the day. And today, actually, I think we got some heavy hitters, right? I think we're looking at, or at least this week, we're looking at Apple and some major market movers. So basically, let's not even go through the calendar. We'll take a quick look right here at the earnings calendar. Really nothing today. Feds are going to be quiet all week. So we got durable goods, new home sales. And things of that nature. So really, if Microsoft, Apple, and the earnings can't get the market moving, the S&P, we're looking pretty grave, man. Things are gonna turn around and get mighty ugly. So what we're looking at right here, we have the shooting star, and we had the retrace. We had a bull flag trigger, but because of what's his name's Powell's comments, the bull flag failed, and when a bullish setup fails, it becomes bearish, and that's what happened. And we should get more of a move down. So I think our next um, resistance is going to be, we might even broke through it already, 42.56. And upon information and belief, the market is currently, the futures are currently down 30 points. So we're at about where did we close? 71.30. We're at we're there, man. We're touching this line. We're on the line. That's showing me the beginning price. Now I just screwed up my trend. This is going pretty well, huh? Here we go. So today, major support should be 42.56. So down 20. We've already broken that. So um, our next support is 42.25, which I think we're sitting on, and then we have the supports 41.61 and 41.57, and then finally 41.14. And if we break that, we're going down into the 30s. So we need a little encouragement. I mean, this is really oversold, and these are buying opportunities. The problem is, if you're in short-term positions, you're probably getting really hurt. These prices were already priced into the market, and these sell-offs really don't make sense. And we were anticipating, I mean, the market was anticipating a 75 basis point interest rate hike, or 50 basis point interest rate hike. And the Fed kind of confirmed that that might be the move they make. So if they make that move on the 4th, it's really already priced in. And it's probably going to be a buy into news kind of situation. But they're forcing the market down on this fear and taking advantage of the fear. And I'm pretty certain that some savvy folks are in the background buying shit up. So right now, what we're looking at for the day is we're building a really good support right down here. Hopefully there's not a sell into the open. If we gap down, maybe we could push up and close that gap. I really, really think that this sell is overdone. It just, you know, the market could stay irrational longer than you could stay liquid. So be prepared, be prepared, be prepared. And this is the 5-minute chart we're looking at. So it looks like it's building this support right here. And really, I wouldn't be bullish on the day unless we break this high, which is 42.51.75. So we want to look to break that high on the 5-minute chart, and that may give us a move to the upside. And actually, this is looking at the futures, if you clock in the futures. So that's what we're looking at, baby. That's what we're looking at. Scary, 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 scary time. I mean, if you just sit back and wait, I'm sure it's all going to turn around. I really think this market is oversold. I mean, technically, it's oversold because the sell-offs were so aggressive. and I'm looking at the futures, and the futures are entirely oversold, extremely oversold. Even on the weeklies, it's mildly oversold, but I'm afraid that we may still hit that 41.84 mark, and I am carrying that fear. But let's see. Let me look at the 60s. 60 minutes kind of fair value, but it looks like the momentum is putting in a bottom over there. We'll have to see what the S&P does at the open. Um, it's really unusual. It's got me very uncomfortable. But I mean, I'm preparing myself for a bearish move. I'm neutral to bearish right now, and breaking that support, I'm going to go bearish. I'm going to be bearish. So that's what we'll keep an eye on. All right. Anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and I'll see you when I see you.